to you live from the Anything Wheeled Imports. We got, yeah, pretty much. I mean, the amount of cars that are here. They're not even just K's at that. But yeah, we have the Wagon R. Still doing amazing. Tomorrow, I'm going to be meeting up with the new owner, so maybe the next video will be titled Suzuki Wagon R officially sold. And he actually has a Wagon R himself that he's thinking about maybe trading, so I'll show you guys another car that could be for sale. We got the Honda Z. A car that, in my opinion, honestly, I just didn't own long enough. How do you like it?
It's cool, but it's not for me.
Because it's automatic?
No, not that it's automatic. So the seats in the back, they're too small for me because they're really low. I mean, it's perfect for children.
Yeah.
But
yeah, for 4 adults, yeah.
Yeah, it's not good for adults.
Yeah.
But it's a cool car.
I like it a lot.
I'm excited to try it in the snow, but I don't think I'll have it long enough.
Yeah. No, I like this thing a lot. Dual airbags. It actually has a gas light.
It does?
Yeah, it does have a gas light. No. Well, no, this one, but that one doesn't.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Which, I mean, would have made a difference with me dying. But the fact that it has a gas light would have been a little bit of a reminder. Because, like, honestly, I just forgot. And I was like, oh, crap, there's no gas station for like 20 more miles. And there was just nothing I can do.
Yeah.
It looks cool in white, though. I haven't seen it in white before.
Did you have this body kit? I forget.
Yeah, I had the Modelo body kit. I had the spoiler. I had I think I had something back here, too. And then I had the fogs.
Yeah, this one doesn't have.
Yeah. But the side skirt still gives it a nice look.
It's different.
I actually really like this. The more I look at it. Yeah, even those. This too? Oh, no. Oh, that's cool.
Do they spin?
I think you probably need to start it. It doesn't have enough juice right now.
I don't have a...
No, that's cool. I like that rack.
He's got bed lights.
Oh, wow.
He's got rear lights in the back. Those rear lights, yeah.
Yeah. The other one's probably reversed, maybe. That's nice. Every time you open the door again?
Yeah.
Wow.
To the door switch.
That's fancy.
All right, it looks cool right now, but at nighttime when you do this...
Oh, yeah, I guess that's true. It has nice tires on there, too.
Yes.
And I had 2 caps.
Oh, he made those.
Oh, nice. I was going to say, you don't really see that every day.
Nope. And then he stole my kid's googly eyes off of his toys.
Wow. And then, how do you even liking this? I know you picked up in the port.
This thing's awesome. You get to see all the seat configurations. Right?
I know, literally, it's like this one facing me, this one up for storage, this one. And that's a TV?
There's a TV.
It actually works or no?
It works. It lights up. You can see stuff. But
yeah.
I'm not going to use that. I'm thinking about putting like a 17-inch one here.
Oh, nice. That'd be sick. Oh, you're going to actually keep this one?
I'm going to keep this.
Oh, nice.
So, ironically, it's nicer in here. Like, the seats are all more comfortable in this than my Escalade.
Wow.
I mean, the Escalade drives way better than this.
Yeah, of course.
It's like absolute dog.
Yeah.
But that thing is, I don't know.
Yeah.
Dollar for dollar, this van is better than that.
Yeah. And this is a slept-on van, too. No one really cares about Elgrand. It's like no one talks about Elgrands at all.
This is cheap, man.
Yeah, it's like Step Wagon and Delica and HiJet, but this is nice. Yeah, no, it's nice.
Come on.
Who are you telling? I like these. The first time I saw one in a Virginia Automall, actually. Even has a selector on the driver's side, like the thing, like for 4-wheel drive.
Yep, the 4-wheel drive thing selector's there.
Yeah. Like this right here?
Yeah. I got the weird dash. I was looking into this.
So
I just replaced everything with LEDs.
Oh, nice.
And of course I messed up that one, so I got to go back in there to do it again.
What do you
Look
mean?
at the odometer, man.
Oh, wow, only 42,000. What's this? This coin holder?
Slot thing. The in-dash nav. It's really slow.
And does it actually show anything, or the screen is like?
It says Nissan and it shows like the TV stuff.
Oh wow!
Like I don't know how to use it though. So like you can select a channel, like a
channel
or
that
something.
Is sick.
I have no idea because I think it's correlated to this thing.
Yeah. And then that one opens, and then this just pops, right?
Yeah, this one's just
just like the Honda Street, pretty much.
Yep. And then this one's slidey. You got a remote back here too. But
nice.
This is my favorite.
The power curtains, yeah, power curtains are sick.
Okay, where's my back curtain now? Oh, there we go. Awesome.
Yeah, these are cool, man. This is a road trip car. This would actually be driving to New York in, not a Suzuki Wagon R. Ooh, JDM plate in the front.
People have told me to paint this red.
For Big Red? Or just right in general?
Watch my autos.
Oh, watch ours. That'd be kind of cool.
Because this is what's going to haul it to track days now.
So you're keeping this one too?
Oh yeah, of course I'm keeping this. This is the enabler.
This is your forever?
All this crap.
Yeah, true. Oh wow, and this is a nice one. I never seen the up like that up there.
What?
Little storage
The
cubbies
storage?
and stuff.
You can let me get out of there.
Yeah.
You can climb up. You can just step on that straps.
Were you and David comfortable on the way back?
Yeah, it was actually a pretty good ride. It was a little loud.
Oh, you put a speaker back there too?
Oh, dude. The radio doesn't work, so that stuff doesn't work. That thing was rattling the whole freaking time. That was horrible.
Damn. Oh yeah, I saw this when you did the limp shifter.
Yeah. Drew told me about that.
Yeah.
And I was just like, what are you talking about?
Shout out Drew. I gotta go check out his Mini. Drew, if you're watching this video right now, let me drive your red Mini. See what that's about. And then we got an Alto.
Alto works.
Shout out to Nate. I can't wait for my pink Alto to get here.
No, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, though.
Yeah. No, I think it's sick.
This kind of stuff bothers me.
The clear coat?
Yeah, I like my stuff both ways.
Yeah, but it's a 25-year-old car.
Yeah, but look at that one.
This one? This one got repainted and everything. I know. I still need to get this though. Like this is I've
You don't have that?
No, I've mentioned this in my video a good million times that I need to buy this. Where can I find this?
I've never seen one for sale. I've been browsing random stuff. I keep finding these.
Yeah, these are 24/7 for sale. But this is what I need because my blind spot, you know already, is...
Dude, this thing is awesome.
Yeah, I
Once
need
you learn
it.
how to use it.
Yeah, I need it. Like, if you're watching this video right now, I'll send someone $10 if you can find me.
$10.
Yeah, just find it for me. I'll buy it myself. But
So,
just find
I
this
think you can just
contrivance.
make one.
In
Do you
what
have
way?
these? Or do you have to drill your holes? I don't remember.
I think I have those. I mean, we kind of have the same car.
So you just need a plate to bolt something to, and then this is literally a bar just bent.
I just mean this though, by the way.
You want the round mirror?
Just talking about the round mirror.
Oh, you can buy a round mirror.
Where?
So you have this part.
Yeah, just need this
okay,
round
okay.
mirror. Yeah.
Dude, just buy like a standard convex.
But they're
round
not
mirror.
this size. They're like 10 inches. This is like what 4?
Oh, so they're okay.
Yeah, they're huge. And then they also don't have this arm thing because I need this to hook it on too. Also.
Oh, this is easy. You can get any clamp.
Okay.
This part is not hard. You just want the convex.
Yeah, I need a small one of this.
Okay.
Cause like I get one from an Atlas, but it's like 10 inches. It'll be yeah.
You won't miss anything.
Yeah, no, yeah. But shout out this one. You know what's funny? I actually bought another mirror today.
A band?
Yeah. I posted
another one on top of the
So on top of my blueberry lemon, yeah, I have another one. I'll show you it. Like
These are addictive, man.
yeah, I know. It's not turbo or nothing like that, but it's cool though. You'll see it. It's cool.
That's what that black mirror over there is.
But this one's yours? Oh, this is all yours also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is where my mirror came from, essentially. My engine.
Yep. It's open. You
This is what I got in my car.
So I had this one all serviced before I got here. So
Nice.
It's just ready for me to.
Nice.
throw it in there.
I had mine serviced too, but
I watched you guys have struggles with the dash cluster.
yeah. Oh, to swap it over?
Yeah. 'Cause
Yeah.
It won't fit in that thing, and then it's like I don't want to steal this thing's cluster. I mean, dash the entire dash. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do.
Well, you could do it though.
I like that dash.
So you're cluster. You just want to fit
So we
somehow.
want the cluster
Yeah.
because it
Yeah.
has the tachometer and stuff.
Yeah.
But I like that dash, so I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Oh wow, this one has wood grain. Wood grain's pretty sweet.
Yeah. And this.
Let me see. Am I missing any buttons? Nah. This is where my horn is, and then my power mirrors.
This is my horn.
Yeah. I gotta get you a WayBeforeTheFame horn. What the hell's this?
The battery used to. Oh, the battery's dying. What do you think that?
That.
That's the HVAC system, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know.
Core and stuff?
Seems like it's like in the way. Oh wow, yours doesn't even have the little plastic piece here like mine. Like for the headlights. I don't know. Mine's had some little hole there. It's cool seeing these seats like this.
Yeah. There's two kinds. The one I gave to Nate was better than this one.
Oh really? They're in great condition. So we're gonna end up parting this one out, I guess.
That's the idea. Is we definitely know we're stealing the engine and the transmission.
Yeah. I'm putting it in that
Yeah, but then the question is, can we actually successfully put that back into this thing
and make it so running again.
and make it work?
Yeah.
'Cause otherwise, it's just a shell for scrap.
Yeah. Well, I'll buy it and cut it into a trailer. Which has been,
Okay, that works.
yeah, which has been one of my goals for the longest.
All right, that'll.
So yeah, you have yes. I'll definitely cut it into a trailer.
And then I can bring it down with me sometime if I.
Yeah, exactly. You don't gotta worry about that part.
Okay. Then
Yeah. I've been trying to buy a K car for like less than 1,000 and cut it to a trailer forever. I think I'd probably do it from like, I guess like from right here.
I mean, the car is pretty small.
Yeah, I'd probably do it from like right here.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Well, actually, no, it would make more sense if you do it from
Yeah, maybe even right here.
Because then it's flat.
Yeah, but then what about the glass?
But you want the door.
Yeah, I guess.
You're gonna save the glass?
No, I mean like if I cut here. What about this glass?
All the way down.
The glass.
All right, you're right.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah, from here.
Just keep it simple. But
Yeah.
Here's the firewall.
Yeah, exactly. That's happening in 2025, 100%.
This is the Wagon R.
This I need one of these in my life, just a turbo version.
Yeah, they make a turbo. Do they make a four-wheel drive of the
Yeah.
non-wide? I mean, of the wide?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some guy in Long Island actually bought it from Josh, 844. I still think about this car every single day. Shout out to the old guy who owned it. Are you getting hits on this one? People are sleeping on this. If you're watching this video right now, you need to buy this.
I got one hit on it.
Yeah.
And then it's kind of just been hanging out. So
No, you guys are sleeping on this hard. What is it, like 6?
I'm asking 6 for it, but
Yeah.
I'm open to offers.
6 OBO.
It has title.
Title.
Service. The transmission had to be rebuilt.
Nice. Power windows all around.
There's a weird fault that happened in it.
Oh.
Fixed it.
Comes with rims,
Airbags.
racks,
ABS.
ABS. It's a real car. It's not a K.
It has AC and work.
Yeah. It's clean.
Has a little rust spot here and there. It's not perfect outside. But
Yeah.
like you said, it's old. It's not rotten underneath, which is the important stuff.
Yeah, I'm dying for one of these. This is like the car that everyone should get, honestly. Like everybody who wants a K but wants something a little bigger, this is what people should buy.
Perfect for the highway. You can
Yeah.
go like 80 miles per
Yeah, even
hour,
the thing, yeah.
5-speed.
It goes up to 160, not 140 like the other cars.
I don't remember if it has a speed limit. I don't think it does.
It shouldn't. It's not a K.
Yeah, I don't think it has a speed
Yeah, it should go like, it should bury the speedo, honestly.
I go to work. I'm 95. I'm just flying.
Yeah. Any update on this?
Been lazy, so I have my JIMNY up here.
This guy also has a JIMNY. This is 100% a dealership. Like, look at this.
Absolute chaos.
You got a carry over there.
That bicycle. So I'm doing a 3-inch lift on this JIMNY. And I'm gonna get some chunkier tires.
You should go off-roading. I want to go off-roading. All right, we should go off-roading. I want to go with my Terios.
We can go. This bothers me that the powder coating's not the same color.
This is for this car?
It's for the JIMNY.
Oh, this is the lift kit?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I bought the full lift kit with the radius.
Oh, yeah, look at the things right there.
Yeah, big springs.
So you want to keep this too, I guess, for a little bit?
Probably, yeah. We like it. It's a cool car.
I love that mirror right there, the fender. Oh, yeah.
They're all like messed up though. The glass is like.
Oh, really?
The glass gets like. It looks like algae, but it's not algae. It's just like peeling.
Oh, yeah, I see
You know
it.
what I mean? They all do that, and like every time I find one on Yahoo, I'm like, they all look like this. I'm like, damn it, I'm looking for this.
You got to straight pipe this one.
I could.
Like from right here back. Bring it to my guys in Queens. Is this going to be track ready when it gets warm?
I hope so. We've done everything to it. I've narrowed it down to the distributor, and then I helped Charles, this guy that has like a horde of little cars.
Yeah.
Some Ks, like European, all kinds of weird stuff. But helping him fix his AZ1 because it was running on 1 cylinder.
Damn.
Remotivated me to get to here because I'm like, it's really not that bad to work on it. I'll do it. But I have too much to work on, man. I got like freaking 10 cars here.
Self-inflicted, but I guess.
Yeah.
You can't say you got too much work when you bought them all.
I know. So it was fun when I was doing it, but
Yeah.
you know, you buy them and then,
Yeah, and then they all get here all at one time. Yeah, they all get here at one time. I got 4 cars coming in 3 weeks.
yeah, that's a problem.
Yeah, and I still own 4 cars right now, which is.
You don't have as much space as I.
And I don't have this much space to put all the cars. I mean, I got street parking, but. Update. This is the restaurant.
We made it.
What up? Yep, so it's the next day. Wagon R made it home A-OK. Shout out to everybody that met at the Boston meet. Shout out to Valentina for coming through. It was pretty cool to be around another entrepreneur and see how they lock in, how they can paint for 6 hours, how they can go to bed at like 3 in the morning, wake back up at 6 and continue to paint to the point where like her hand was hurting. So it was pretty cool to see that in its action. Wagon R should be sold later today. TRxX should get new tires this week. And I think my next video most likely is going to be something as far as the midget goes. This car is for sale, 8,000 or best offer. Don't think I forgot about the Mira or the Serena. Currently working on this. Stay tuned. Catch you guys on the next one. Road to 100K. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.